my first fish.
You finally caught your first fish after how many years?
Wow.
I'm
stuck on rocks. Don't feed the fish yet.
Wow.
Give it a kiss.
No.
No, let's cook a fish.
No, you can't. You have to cook that. I'm not uncooking this thing. You're uncooking this
Here
thing.
comes fish.
I'll unhook it.
Here comes fish.
Oh,
Wow.
he needs a
Gotta
hook to
caught
put back
a
in.
fish. Here, reel it in. It's a fish.
Are they teeth in there?
Yeah.
Little ones.
Reel it in.
Little ones? I'm sorry, can you get a shot in his mouth?
Hello, mine's stuck on the rocks.
Quiet. Be quiet,
Look
Gabe.
down in there.
Get it down.
I had no idea. Look.
That's it. I'm taking your paw out of the water. You're done.
You see them?
Not
never
with your hand
looked.
in the way.
I've never looked.
Mine's
Down
stuck
inside a
in
fish's
rocks.
See them?
Too blurry.
Too blurry. He's got some sharp ones down in there. Hey, Brianna, you want to test them out? Put your finger in this fish's mouth.